ago, it's not the same one
No.
that you're using today.
Yeah. It's interesting. When I first came into the game, like most traders here probably know Raja Banks. He was one of the first guys I learned from. Simple price action. Don't go any lower than the 15-minute time frame. Show up for one session, 1 to 2 trades a day max. And that's what I did when I first started trading. And I found success doing that. But as most traders do, you think the grass is greener on the other side. And then I spent the next 1.5 to 2 years going around the world, doing swing trading, scalping, 1 minute, trend lines, Bollinger Bands, and just lost all my money for 2 years. And then after all of that shit, came back to simple price action, similar to Raja's kind of concepts. And then over time, I've kind of developed that, put my own personality and twist into it, and kind of developed what I do now, which is very similar, obviously different now, but very similar, just simple price action, 1 to 2 trades a day, high volume time, London Open, Asia Open, New York Open.
Let's stop a little bit in the strategy itself and how. So London Open, you also told me that you trade, the way that you trade publicly is the way that you do it for your personal accounts.
Yep.
So everything is, whatever you show is whatever you do.
Exactly.
All right. And when you sit, how's your routine like? When you sit before the market opens, do you pre-analyze it before you just?
Yeah.
How is it?
I'll tell you real quick. I'll give you a real quick breakdown. I wake up in Dubai. It's 3:20 a.m. because the Asia session starts at 4 a.m. So 3:20 a.m. I start the stream up. I set the mentorship guys into the stream. We go live. There's no real pre-market analysis. All I do is kind of get an overview from a top-down analysis, start the daily 4-hour, work my way down, get a pulse on where the market's at and where direction might be going next, mark out key levels of support and resistance. I say support and resistance because most people know that, but I just call it key levels where market is respecting. And in short, simple terms, I break it down into a type 1 or a type 2. A type 1 is find a respected level or a support or resistance and wait for I wait for structure to break out of that level and then try to ride the momentum. Or a type 2, which is wait till the market hits that level, bounces off, and then try to catch that bounce off. That's it. I don't need to sit there for an hour and do a full analysis. I just do an overview for 5 minutes, not even that, 2 minutes, and then just start trading. Or wait for my trades to come to me, I should say.
Yeah, that's very important. That you really need to be on standby until you have the right setup, then you enter, trying to force the trade.